What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be replacing the motherboard in my 65-inch Hisense flat screen TV. Now this one got blown. This one got blown out by a power surge and a lightning storm, and I ordered the new motherboard off of shopjimmy.com for all your TV repair needs. So it's going to be an easy fix. So let's just get right to it. First, we're going to unscrew this panel right here. Okay, now that we have taken all the screws out, we can see the panels, see the boards. Okay, this is your motherboard right here, the main board. This right here is the T-Con board, which stands for timing control. And this one right here is the Wi-Fi adapter. The Wi-Fi module. It's the Wi-Fi. It's the wireless adapter. Okay. I don't know if you can see that there or not. Okay. I have to bear with me with my phone. The camera's broken on the other side, so I have to face it this way. Okay. Now we're just gonna remove the screws out of each one. Start with this one, then we'll work our way down to the other ones. Okay. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now before I remove the final screws, see I've unplugged the wires here. Okay. Now before I remove the final screws, I want to show you this this little connection right here. Now, if you've never done this before, this might be kind of tricky for you. But see, you just lift on the top of here, you don't pull it out, you don't drag it out. On top of here, there's a little flap on there. You just lift that. Yeah. See this right there? It's a little bitty flap. You lift it up, okay? Do it on the top and on the bottom. Let's see there. There you go. Little flap. Lift it up, and then this right here, this comes right out. Okay, just like that. Okay. We're gonna lay it over here, facing the same way. All right, let's go ahead and take the rest of those screws out. Okay, now that we have all the screws removed, we're going to take the motherboard off there, and we're going to take this. I'm going to take this faceplate off there, which is simple, just pops right off. Okay, but while we're doing this, I just want to let you know that I am not a TV repairman. I don't know anything about electronics at all. You know, I just know that, you know, whenever something is broken, you know, if I can fix it myself, I would rather try to fix it myself than have to pay $500 for a new one, or have to pay $300 for someone else to repair it for me, when I can just buy the part. This part, I got all three of these parts right here, and it was only $55, and I got it from shopjimmies.com. Just looked on the internet and found it, you know. Just like some people, sometimes you might see me working on my vehicle, and I always tell you, I'm not a mechanic, you know. But when something breaks on it, if I can fix it myself, I will. I'll give it my best shot, and it usually always works out. So, with that being said, we got the motherboard off there. Just gonna pop this faceplate off of here. There we go. Came right off. Alrighty then, so here's the new motherboard, or the power board, power supply, whichever you want to call it. We're going to screw that back on. Alright, now that we got this one here screwed back on, we're just going to plug it in. Plug each one of these in. No problem, just like it was when we undone it. Next, we're going to work on the T-Con. That would be this one right here. Okay, this one right here. That's for the timing control. Same process, same process. Okay, now that we have the screws removed and the little tabs, it's the same with this one as it was the other one. You just lift these little tabs right there, lift it up, and then it comes right out. Now that we have that one off of there, we're going to replace it with the new one. Okay. There's the brand new one right there. Okay, now that we have the new T-Con board screwed back in, we're just going to replace the tabs. These little tabs. It's very simple. Just put them in. Lift the little tab there. Slide them in. I'm going to set the phone down. I don't know if you can see that or not. Okay, we just slide the tabs right back in and then clamp it shut. And there you go. You're done. Now we got the new motherboard and the timing board in there. Now this is the Wi-Fi module. I don't think there's going to be any problems with that. We're just going to leave that for now. So as of this job is complete. So I'm going to put the back on it. I'm going to plug it in, and we're going to see what happens. All right, here it is, the moment of truth. Let's see. Fingers crossed. Oh, looky there. Woo! Just like new. Brand spanking new 65-inch Hisense Roku TV. And all it took was just a little bit of effort. Now, that fix right there only cost me about $55. But if you were to take it to a TV repairman, it would cost you a lot more. And if you had to replace it, if you had to buy a new one, it would cost you even more than that. So, thumbs up, guys. If you need something fixed, hey, try to do it yourself. Give it a shot. You never know. All right. Good luck and have a good day.